This is the Fisco Big T, Fisco's top of the range tape measure. It's a well engineered, ergonomic tape measure manufactured in the UK from high quality materials. The Big T has all the features you would expect from a high quality tape measure and many more too. The most important of these is the accuracy. We don't question the accuracy of the tape measures we use, but they're not all equal. The Big T is accurate to the EC Class 1 accuracy standard, the highest level of accuracy for tape measures. This is the symbol that's printed on the tape measure scale that confirms the accuracy as EC Class 1. Like most tape measures, it has a self-zeroing end hook to automatically adjust for internal and external measurements. But this one is manufactured from aerospace grade polymers, so as you can see the scale right up to the end. The end hook also has a rubber insert for better grip. The external housing of the Big T is protected with rubber, but what you cannot see are the shock absorbers inside the housing that protect both the housing and the internal components from damage if it is dropped. The lock button is rubber coated and ergonomically positioned, making it easy to apply and release. And as the lock is applied, there's no movement of the blade scale. On many low-cost tape measures, as you apply the lock, the scale can move in or out of the case just by a few millimetres, and this will give an inaccurate measurement. In addition to providing a strong lock, the button is also used to slow down the blade as it retracts into the housing. The belt clip is a really interesting design. Rather than being fixed to the housing, it stays on your belt, making the tape measure easier to grip and less bulky to use. When you are finished measuring, it locks back into place on your belt. My favourite features are those that help the user with internal measurements. These are where the housing forms part of the measurement, and the width of the housing has to be added to the distance measured on the scale. To make this easier for the user, Fisco have designed the Big T with a red cursor in the mouthpiece, so as the user can easily see the correct point to read the measurement from the scale. And they have made the width of the housing exactly 10 centimetres. This is achieved on the 5 metre version with a flip down extension. To summarise, the Fisco Big T is well engineered, comfortable to use, highly accurate and comes with many additional features. It is available in 5 metre and 8 metre lengths with either metric only or combined metric and inch scales.